In this tutorial, we will install IntelliJ IDEA IDE on your Mac operating systems. We will use Homebrew package manager for IntelliJ IDEA installation. So Homebrew is prerequisite for this installation. First, we will verify if brew is already present in our system. So just use simple brew-v command on your terminal, and if you see a brew version number, it means brew is present. If you see error with brew as unrecognized command, it means brew is not present, and we will go to next step of brew installation. Open homebrew.sh on your browser and you will find a command for installing Homebrew. We have to run this command from Mac OS terminal. So let's open our terminal and paste this command as it is and click enter. Now enter your password and you will see all information of directories which will be created with this installation. So just press enter, that is return button on your Mac, and that's it. The installation of Homebrew is completed. We can verify with the simple homebrew command brew list, and if there is no error, it means our installation is successful. Now we will start installation of IntelliJ IDEA on Mac operating system. Open terminal and run the command brew search IntelliJ. This command is also added in description. So after some time, brew will search packages which it has. So you can see under Cask we have found out the IntelliJ IDEA package. Cask is a package where basically GUI type of installations can be installed. Now we will run brew install cask command. So in this command we will just pass our cask which we want to install, that is IntelliJ IDEA. So this command is also added in description, and after few minutes our installation should be completed. So this installation basically downloads the packages and then installs the packages on your Mac operating system. Now you can see that our installation of IntelliJ IDEA Cask has been already completed. So we already have IntelliJ IDEA on our system ready. So you can open applications where all your Mac applications are present. So in applications you will find this IntelliJ IDEA. You can either open from here or you can just open Spotlight and search for IntelliJ IDEA, and your IntelliJ IDEA should get loaded. Just accept this warning. And yeah, IntelliJ IDEA is now loaded. So on home screen or the first loaded screen, you will see there are two options: evaluate for free or activate IntelliJ IDEA. If you have license, you can go with first option, but for this installation we don't have license, so we'll just use the evaluation version. I will skip these options and just click evaluate. After evaluation you will see messages that this trial is for 30 days, continue, and here is the welcome screen of IntelliJ IDEA. Here you have option to create a new project. Under customization you can customize your IDE. You have option to change theme. I like dark mode, so I will go with the Dracula theme, that is a dark mode theme. You can also sync with your operating system, so based on your operating system IDE will sync its setting. There are other options like changing font size or changing the key map, that is basically shortcuts which you usually use on IDE. You can go for the Eclipse layout, or you can just use a Mac OS layout. Then second option, you have plugins. IntelliJ is rich with a lot of plugins. Let me just make it into full screen mode. So for example, if you search for Java, you will find many plugins related to Java. Like here is a list of all Java related plugins. We are not going to install any plugin, but just showing you. Like for example, we have a Java Ding compiler, etc. There is also some IDE learning material which you can check if you are interested. Now we'll go ahead and just create one simple project, a Java program. So when you click on option of creating new project, there are multiple options, like you can create a simple Java program, or you can create project with build manager, build tools like Maven, or also you can create a Spring Initializer project. So I have Java installed on my system. That is prerequisite if you want to create a Java program or a Java project. So just make sure that you have Java installed. Just click on next to create your first Java program, and here you will see option of creating a project template, which we will just keep as it is, and then you can give your project name. We are creating a demo. So after creating demo, IntelliJ IDEA will create a project structure, as you can see on left side of your screen. Here is the tip of the day. I don't want to see it, so I will just close it, and a welcome screen with all information of using IDE. Under demo you will see a typical IntelliJ IDEA package structure for Java program, and I will create one hello world program. So under source package, so add a Java class, give some name. We will do a hello world program, so hello world.java. We will write a simple hello world program in Java here, and you can find this green button over here on line number 3. Just run your hello world.java, and that's it. You can see that it is already executed and we can see response. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and add a comment if you are free. Thank you very much.